कि किसान आगे बढ़े।
2 persons lost their lives and over 3,000 people are affected due to heavy rains that lashed the state. In just 1 week, over 42 villages across 6 districts were affected, with West Garo Hills district being hit the hardest. According to Meghalaya State Disaster Management Authority, the southwest monsoon has destroyed more than 36 structures, including 17 houses, and causes crop damage over 4.45 hectares. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has issued directive to all districts to follow. The CM directed 24/7 continuous activation of the District Emergency Operations Center, issuance of advisories to the public and immediate implementation of relief measures.